In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to your PowerPoint presentations. PowerPoint is an incredibly versatile tool used by students, professionals, and anyone looking to present information in a clear and engaging manner. Whether you're preparing for a class presentation, a corporate report, or even a personal project, adding notes to your PowerPoint slides can significantly enhance your presentation. Notes serve as a cue for the presenter, ensuring that all crucial points are covered without necessarily including all text on the slides themselves. First things first, let's dive into the world of PowerPoint. Begin by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. When you launch PowerPoint, you're greeted with the opening screen, which displays a variety of templates and recent documents. Locating and opening your presentation file is your next step. You can do this directly from the opening screen by browsing through the list of recent documents, or by clicking on the Open option to navigate through your computer's folders and select the specific PowerPoint presentation file you wish to work on. Once your file is open and you can see the slides in your presentation, it's time to start adding notes. Beneath each slide there is a section often overlooked but incredibly valuable marked Click to Add Notes. This is where the magic happens. Clicking into this area transforms it into a text box ready for your input. Here is where you'll type in or paste the notes specific to the slide you're working on. These notes can consist of anything from bullet points you want to ensure you touch upon, technical explanations, statistics, or even questions you want to ask your audience to engage them further. Although these notes won't be visible to your audience during the presentation, they are essential for you, the presenter, acting as a script or a reminder of what to say when a specific slide is up. It's worth noting the flexibility you have with these notes. You can prepare them beforehand, perhaps in a Word document or notepad, and simply copy and paste them into the corresponding note section for each slide. Or you can type them directly into PowerPoint as you review each slide to ensure your notes are perfectly aligned with the content presented. Remember, the purpose of these notes is to ensure you deliver a smooth, comprehensive presentation. Depending on your delivery style, your notes can be as detailed or as brief as you like. Some people prefer to write full sentences or paragraphs to read from, while others only need keywords or short sentences to jog their memory on the topic at hand. As a pro tip, consider using the notes section to include references or sources for your information, particularly if you're presenting academic or highly technical content. This practice not only helps you during the question and answer portion of your presentation, but also ensures that your information is credible and well researched. Once you've added notes to your slides, reviewing them is straightforward. In the PowerPoint editing view, you can simply scroll through each slide and see your notes below them. However, when it comes to presenting, don't forget to use the presenter view. This exclusive view allows you to see your current slide, the next slide, and your notes on your screen, while the audience only sees the current slide. It's an excellent way to stay on track without giving away what's coming next. In conclusion, adding notes to your PowerPoint slides is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation, ensuring you cover all necessary points without crowding your slides with too much text. It allows for a clearer, more engaging presentation and helps maintain your train of thought during the live presentation. So, next time you're preparing a PowerPoint, remember to utilize this feature to help make your presentation as effective and engaging as possible. That's a wrap on how to add notes to your PowerPoint presentations. Practice this feature and see how much smoother and well prepared your presentations can become. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your presentations.